Hey, it's VJ, and got the 60s channel going pretty good, and I thought it was about time I brushed up on some of my 60s lingo, because the 60s, that was a long time ago. Here's some common expressions from that time period. It's a gas. Basically, it's a phrase for having some fun. Bogart, that's when somebody takes more than their fair share of the herbal drug. Chromodome, well, that's pretty obvious. That's an older fellow who's got severe male pattern baldness. Coolhead. Coolhead would describe any cool hip guy. That's a drag. That's a discussion for anything that's a real bummer. Sosh. This is a description for preppy kids. Marvy. That's short for marvelous. Can you dig it? I don't know. Can you dig it? A bag describes your scene, whether you're a mod or a rocker. Scratch, that's in reference to bread or money. Fuzz, that's police or pigs. Sock it to me, that means give me some, and let's split. That means it's time to leave. And it's time for me to leave, and back to the 60s channel.